Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 12X and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's switch to the video one. Now take a look at this option bar, and right in the middle we've got the resolution option, so let's tap on it. As you can see, we've got two options, so 1080p, which is currently applied, and 720p. So simply tap on the option like to use. I'll choose 720p. As you can see, it is immediately highlighted, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.